waiting for our train at the Chesterley station now, and I think we've got about 10 minutes to wait, but it's been raining, as you can tell, hence why my hair looks a complete mess, but that's fine. The station has like a certain charm about it, which I do like. It's very small, but it is quite charming, and I kind of like train stations, which is weird, but I do. So we're just waiting for our train now, and I think there's a train coming. So right now we're in Durham, and we're heading towards the Durham Cathedral, and the air is so nice and fresh. That is the cathedral, right? I'm not just making this up.
I have no idea.
Okay. Look how pretty that looks. Look at that aesthetic. What is that then?
That's a random church.
Well, that's what we...
I do think that's the cathedral. That's a tiny church.
Well, all this time I've been talking on the video about heading towards the cathedral, and we're heading towards the church.
Oh God.
Looks nice though. This is the perfect city for a spooky occurrence.
A spooky crime?
A spooky occurrence.
Yeah.
What is it? Occurrence. Not a spooky crime.
Marianna, don't be committing crimes while you're here. Just because you're not local doesn't mean they won't catch you.
I'll escape back to where I came from. Which is a questionable place in the first place.
Mental asylum.
So now we're walking to the cathedral, and you've got to walk quite a steep hill to get there. And I don't think this is ideal because the ground is so slippery because of all the leaves and all the rain. But it's not bad. I'll show you guys. It's quite steep. I'm surprised. The way you're holding that knife looks so threatening. That's so adorable. It's Little Pumpkin.
Yeah.
Are you done? Can I show them? Look how cute that is. Such a cute coffee. And we got some scones, and I got some Earl Grey. And also another cappuccino. What is it? Cinnamon?
Yeah.
Cinnamon cappuccino. So guys, it's currently the middle of the afternoon, around 1 o'clock. Look how dark it is. It's like evening time, it's like night time. Do you think it's because of the hurricane?
Yeah.
It's literally like the apocalypse. It's like the end of the world.
Yeah. Super dark.
So
you can't really tell on camera, but it is like so dark.
I bet it's because of the hurricane. So creepy looking. Perfect for Halloween. I do hope the trains will be okay, because today we're going back, and I don't really want to be stuck at the train station for hours. What a spooky walk. Look at that rich plumage. The trip.
It's good.
Do you feel like you need another trip just to recover from this trip?
I feel like I need a trip on my own, to my own flat, to my own bed, with nobody else around me right now.
Are you sure you're not going to miss me at night?
No. That's like understatement.
Who's gonna
Of the
snuggle you
century.
though?
Nobody, and I'm so happy for
But you're
that.
gonna get cold. I just didn't want you to get cold last night.
Oh my god, it was like 1,000,000 degrees. And then it was
so
1,000,000 more when you started. Oh my god, it was so annoying. Well, first it was your foot, then it was your hand, and you were like trying to be sneaky. I'm like, I can feel your hand on my back.
I
And,
have
and
to. Okay,
you were like
it's really
snuggling
dark.
your back to my back, and I was
Okay.
like, I was like moving away, and you
No,
kept
but it's
moving into my
really
space.
dark. When it's really dark and you are creeped out by the ghosts that might be in the room with you, you want to reassure that there's somebody else there who is alive. And
I didn't
sometime-
have that
but the
problem.
thing, you breathe so quietly that I can't tell that you're there.
Well, you know, I felt you breathing. I felt you breathing into my face.
Okay, that wasn't me. I wasn't
You were
that
really close. At one point, I was like turning around. I was like, "Oh my god, I feel your breath on my face. Like I can't
Angelina,
sleep on the
Angelina,
side."
you turned towards me and then you elbowed me in the kidneys. I'm pretty sure I've got like one functioning kidney now because the other one is destroyed.
You shouldn't have been so close to me then.
But this is the thing. I wasn't.
You were.
You were facing the other way. You turned towards me and went for no
Yeah, because
reason.
you were in my space.
Angelina, the left side of the bed was mine.
Marianna, you were not on the left side. You were on my side.
I went to the bathroom in the middle of the night. I came back and you were on like spread out diagonally.
and then you had the light switched on. You were on your phone, and you started snuggling next to me again. And I was like, for fuck's sake. See, I'll show you. I think. I don't know. Maybe.
Look how tired we look. Look at us.
We look so pissed off and tired. We look so done.
I'm done.